This is December 21st, 2017, and we're looking at the 4 source wells for the Riverbridge project. You see a well casing, and next to it is a electrical disconnect switch. So there's an electrical disconnect switch next to each well. That's for anybody who's working on the well over here. We can either keep the switch in an on or off position, shut the switch off, and there'll be no power, so we can work on the well, any of these wells. Another reason why the casings that you're looking at here are pretty high, they're almost about 5 feet tall, is because there's a stream that flows through here and it joins up with the Assabet River, and this area here is actually a floodplain. The flood elevation is down low, probably about this high, and it's a 100-year flood elevation. So we needed to be at least 2 feet higher than the 100-year flood elevation so that the flood doesn't back up and get through like a vent here and the flood waters go down into the well. So even in a 100-year flood, these wells will be above the 100-year flood elevation. So this should all continue to work. Even in a 100-year flood, we'd be standing in like waist-deep water out here. And all these wells, the pipes, water lines, and the power lines under these wells branch over here, and they all connect. You basically go underground all the way back to, that's the hotel building that the Riverbridge project is going to serve, one of the buildings. And if you look way back over there, you see a blue water tank, and that is the location of all the wells that are going to come together into a pump station next to that storage tank and basically fill up that storage tank, and then the water is going to be repumped back out into a distribution network that's going to serve a bunch of buildings that are going in over there. You see there's a daycare over there, there's a hotel being built, there's a gas station behind it, there's a site that's going to be worked on here, some kind of restaurant, that's a wastewater treatment plant, there's a big leach field there buried in that mound of earth, and it's going to be residential development, commercial development. It's a mixed-use village, and this is right near the Solomon Pond Mall, which is down that way. This is right off Interstate 290. This project's been going on for about 7 years, and it's now really starting to ramp up. So this is the well field out here, and as you can see, the land is all preserved in a natural state. They did preserve a lot of open space with this project, including out on that side of the road as well. So this will continue to be developed out probably over the next 2 or 3 years.